Hey there, Sarah here. Welcome back to Plugged In. Did you know that having multiple languages on your WordPress website helps you reach a wider audience? It also boosts SEO and improves user experience, and all of these things make your content more accessible to people all around the world. In this video, we're going to take a look at TranslatePress, a plugin that comes recommended by Jamie on the Gravity team and is a great tool if you need to translate your website to different languages. TranslatePress supports more than 200 languages, so you can easily translate your WordPress website into virtually any language your visitors need. As Jamie puts it, I used it on a client project earlier this year and it was exceptional. The UI and the database had none of the bloat that some of the other plugins are known for. Let's take a quick look at how you can use TranslatePress to deliver your website's content in multiple languages. Head on over to your WordPress dashboard to search for and install TranslatePress. Then head to the TranslatePress settings and select Automatic Translation. From here, you can click the link on screen to create a free account. Once your account has been created, you'll be able to enable automatic translation for your site. Next, you'll want to add the language you'd like your page translated to. Free accounts are limited to 2 supported languages, so if you need more, check out their paid pricing plans. We've got it linked in the description. Once you've added your supported languages, head on over to a page you'd like to translate. At the bottom of your screen, you'll find a floating switcher that you can use to automatically translate your website to one of your supported languages. If you need to fine-tune anything, such as a section of your page that the automatic translator might have missed, simply select Translate Page and select the page element you'd like to translate. Then save your settings. If you're using Gravity forms on your website, you can also use TranslatePress to translate your forms fields, as well as any error messages or success messages, and that helps ensure all your forms on your site are fully multilingual. Within the TranslatePress settings, there's also some handy features you might want to take advantage of. For instance, you can change the default language of your site and customize the appearance of that floating switcher. The floating switcher can also be disabled entirely if you'd like. If it's disabled, you can access the translated page by adding the appropriate language slug to your URL. You can also access the advanced settings, where you'll find several troubleshooting options, the ability to exclude certain pages and strings from being translated, and more. With just a few clicks, you can make your WordPress website multilingual. And this can not only open the door to a bigger audience, it can make your website pages more accessible to people no matter where they're from or what language they speak. What are some of your favorite WordPress plugins? Are there any you want to see us cover? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks as always for watching. We'll see you next time.